friends, it's Mommy and me playtime. Look what we have here today. It
is Series 2 Nom Truck.
Yay, look at this. They have all this ice cream, the sprinkle, the flavor, the sprinkle here, and then, oh, this is not ice cream, it's
a lip gloss truck, but they made it ice cream themed.
Oh, look at this little, what is it called?
Hey, look, it's our Nom Noms.
Oh, I want to get some ice cream. I thought it's an ice cream truck.
Don't worry, you have lip gloss. Oh, just like us. We have lip gloss as well.
Ooh, look at this. We also have a lot of surprises. Yay! We're gonna get
Season 7 Shopkins and some new Nom Noms.
And new Nom Noms. Yay! We can't wait to open it. Okay, guys.
Oh, look! There's an ultra rare special edition.
Ooh, look at that. How cool. Okay, why don't we put all this aside and we open the ice cream lip gloss truck.
Who took a bite out of the spoon?
What is it? Oh no! What is it here?
Out of the seat.
Oh no! Okay, let's put all this aside and then we're gonna cut it.
Oh boy!
Okay.
Wait.
Let's cut. Oh, I want to see what's in the bag.
Oh look! Here's the recipe. First, we must pick a flavor. Mix in the sprinkles, blend together, and then use the extruder to make it swirl like soft served ice cream.
Ooh, I love this truck. Ooh, there's a hidden mixing tool in here.
It's actually a cupcake.
Ooh, and look at this little cute. Ah, so cute. And wild berry and vanilla flavor. Nom, 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 nom. I love it. Ooh, can I get one, please? I want to.
And us too.
Oh, can you open it? Open it. Okay.
I will open it. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, so come on. Let's open this box and let's play.
Okay, let's open this bad boy up.
Okay, guys, so we take out the box, and this is what it looked like. Wow, look at this. It's so cute. What is this?
It's our little sundae.
Sundae, and look at this cute little flavoring. And this is what?
Wild
Cherry.
And this is vanilla.
It's vanilla.
Ooh, sprinkles.
Sprinkle.
And we have one little special
Lip gloss.
edition.
Oh, this lip gloss. Oh, can I eat this?
It's unedible.
Oh, I want some. Somebody make me a lip gloss, please.
She's a special edition.
Oh.
Wait, let's make it. Wait,
Look at this truck. Wow, look at how cool is this truck.
We can put.
Oh,
look, we can put the display right there.
Oh, look at this. We can put this. Oh, you have to take this out.
Wait a minute. We have one of the special edition ones. We can hold them. Wait a minute. We have one of the special edition one right there. It's
Yay, look at this.
We have one of the special edition now. Oh, let's make me happy.
Hey, who wants to make a lip gloss sample?
Me.
Okay. Let's open this.
Are you ready?
Okay, let's open this. Okay.
Here
we open this
Okay, mix
thing.
it, Mia. Stop. You know what? We had to make shh.
Okay, so peel this off.
Let's move this out. Now, okay.
Ah.
I can mix look, the mixing bowl is actually a cupcake. It's a cupcake.
Oh, okay. Take out the spoon.
We must divide it into parts. Get this out. No.
Okay, you have to divide the spoon though. You have to divide here.
I can do it. Okay, you can do it. Okay, let's make the soup sundae. So we better be careful not to soil it up.
Okay, you have to divide evenly.
One. On this side. Ooh.
Okay, we gotta hurry up. I want some. Hurry up.
Hurry. Wow. Stop it, Noah. Well, here's my most perfect. Noah.
Okay, so we
can
need
I have
to.
Sundae?
We have to
And I
scoop it
can
out
have
and put it in
cherry.
here.
And I can
Okay,
have,
so
and I can have
let's
vanilla
get
flavor.
one.
But I need
One section.
But I need glitter on the Sue Sundae.
Here's one. Here's
Just a
one
little
section.
bit. Okay.
Here's
What flavor do
Stop
you
it.
want? What flavor? I want.
I want a.
What flavor?
I can have a Sue Sundae. I can have Sue Sundae.
I want cherry. I want a cherry, please.
So
Your
we
wish
have
is
to
great.
make Sue Sundae for her now.
Give me a cherry. I want cherry.
No.
Bella, stop it.
Get me a cherry. I want some cherry.
Sorry.
Can you squeeze some in there?
Squeeze Sundae.
think
Come
it-
on. Come on. Oh no. Oh, too
Something-
bad. Something was wrong now.
Something's holding it.
Someone's holding.
You guys should put it over here so I want to watch it too.
Okay. Okay. Time to mix it.
Okay, I'm gonna have cherry.
Mix it.
Mix
You
it.
Mix it very well.
Okay. Mix it very well.
Now I have to use glitter for her, but I'm gonna have some glitter one by myself.
Ah, I have a glitter right here.
Thanks for that.
Okay, here, let me put it in.
Okay. Time to mix it again.
Let me mix it. Wow.
It's starting to look like the real lip gloss.
Okay, so guys, let's put it in here.
Guys, okay.
Now let's put it in here.
Now let's choose a cherry flavor. Here's that cherry. Ah! No. Put the truck right there.
Okay, Bella. You hold it. Okay, Bella. Remember.
Let's scoop. Oh, it has glitter. To make
Remember, get all the lip gloss as possible.
Oh, where's the
Here,
plunger?
there.
Ah, so sticky. Maybe it's just putting a fun joke. I have to mix it again.
Okay. Oh no, you need more lip gloss. Smell like cherry. Just like cherry. Ah, look at this.
Need more lip
I
gloss.
want, yes, we need some more lip gloss. Just a little bit more. Okay, look at
Which cherry
this.
did it is?
We have to mix it until it's well blend in.
Come on, have to press it.
I want some more cherry. Can I have some more cherry, please?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, how do you open this thing? Ah, I got it.
You pop it.
Come on.
Just
Come
one
on.
drops.
There you go. Okay.
Let's mix
You want
it.
to mix it? It smells so good.
Now let's put some more glitter on.
Okay.
Let's put some more glitter. Dash
All
for
right.
glitter. Go.
Okay, look at this. Yummy.
You
Can I eat it? No, don't eat it. Don't eat it.
You had to lick it.
Okay, let's put it in here.
Wait, you need glitter on it.
Ah, glitter just a little bit. Okay, that's it. A little bit glitter. And put it in here. Ah, don't go away, truck. Stay here. All right. And then we put it here. Ice cream
No,
cone.
we're gonna make Susan. We're gonna make an ice cream for cherry. So this is cherry.
Okay, so we put this down. We're gonna push it. Move your hand. I can't see. Move your hand. Move your hand. Ah, look, it's go down. Ah, it's go down. Look at this. Ah,
here's the flavor.
yummy.
So let's
Want to
see.
smell it?
Let's put in your lips, mommy.
Yummy. It smells so good. Okay, where's the cover for this?
It's right there.
Ah,
No!
Oh, no.